Okay, hey guys, this is Tim from Wolves Archery. Just back from surgery, about a month out now, and took me a while to build this bow. Just a little at a time, 15 minutes here, 10 minutes there, and finally got it put together, and finally got it so that it'll shoot. So I think I got it tillered pretty good, and looks real pretty. It's clear glass over walnut with a cocabola riser. It's a light poundage bow made for someone just looking to do some shooting out in their backyard, or maybe a young adult, or maybe a woman wants to get involved in archery. But let's see how she works. Let's hope I don't hit the camera. I haven't shot in a while. I'll put one of my carbons right through the lens. I guess I better aim low. I don't know if the string is very good either. That one went a little high. Wow, it shoots really nice. Really nice. Not really trying to aim it, just trying to see if it shoots. This is a really nice bow. Wow, I'm pretty impressed. I'm pretty impressed by the speed on this thing. It's a little better than I thought. I got a little defect in the casting, so this one's going to get given away. I hit the edge of my mold, and it caught the metal clip that holds the side of the bow into the mold, and pushed this up, but doesn't seem to affect it. I glued it and put it back in the oven. Doesn't seem to affect it any, but I'm not going to sell it now. I'm going to give it away to someone I know. But how about this? How about we get back a little ways and see what happens. With a light poundage bow, I'll tell you what, this thing has got some oomph. So, let's get back over here. Consistent anyways. Not bad. I'll tell you what, I like this bow. It's going to be a real pretty bow once I get it done. Except for that little defect there. Cost me about 600 bucks. That one little defect right there. That's about $600. But can't sell it when it's like that. Just got to keep them. That's okay too. Alright, thanks a lot. I'll get back out here and show you what it looks like when it's all polished up and sanded, and get a couple coats of urethane on there. Definitely going to put some gloss on this, shine it all up. Fix up these tips, and I still got a lot of work to do on it. But hey, for first shots, it worked just fine. So thank you very much for joining me. This is Tim from Wolves Archery. We'll see y'all next time.